Good day, class. We still want to continue our class on taxonomy, classification of living things, animal kingdom and plant kingdom. And today's class we want to examine this Jamb question on the board. We have Spirogyra and mucor can be grouped together as Talophyta because before I stop this question, don't forget that we have online presence. Our WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen, or you can visit us physically. We have physical presence 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be. Let's start with this question. Spirogyra and mucor can be grouped together as Talophyta because this is Jamb 1984 question 4. They are unicellular organisms. Their spores could be dispersed by wind. They are capable of living independent lives. They reproduce sexually only. Their bodies are made up of thallus and filaments. Let's consider the option. They are unicellular organisms. Spirogyra and mucor are actually multicellular organisms. So we have their spores could be dispersed by wind. This is not true for Spirogyra and mucor. They are capable of living independent lives. This is not true. They reproduce sexually only. They reproduce both sexually and asexually, and their bodies are made up of thallus and filaments. In fact, we call Spirogyra as filamentous algae. So the best answer is their bodies are made up of thallus and filaments. That makes option to be correct. Let's go to the next question. In which of the following group of animals are flagella and cilia found? Flagella and cilia are locomotive structures. Just as you have legs for human being for walking. So let's see them one by one. Flatworms are not possessed by cilia and flagella and cilia, no. Annelids, that's under earthworms. They are not for flagella and cilia. Coleotrates. This is not true for flagella and cilia. And we have protozoa, that's the protists. And under this protist or protozoa, we have amoeba, which is pseudopodia for movement. Amoeba uses pseudopodia for movement. We have paramecium. Paramecium uses cilium or cilia for movement. And we have Euglena. Euglena uses flagella for movement. So that makes option D to be correct. And we have nematodes. Nematodes do not use flagella and cilia for movement. So the best option is what I've given us. Amoeba uses pseudopodia for movement. Paramecium uses cilia for movement. And we have Euglena uses flagella for movement. Amoeba, pseudopodia, paramecium, cilia, Euglena, flagella. I think you have gained something in this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, quickly go and click on the subscribe button. Taiwo Oduebo. See you in my next video. Bye.